Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, where I share with you the best health and wellness products on the market. Today, I have a very special product to review for you. It's called Sonofit, and it's a natural supplement that can help you improve your hearing and protect your ears from damage. If you're like me, you probably love listening to music, podcasts, or audiobooks on your headphones. But did you know that prolonged exposure to loud sounds can cause inflammation in your eardrum and lead to hearing loss or tinnitus? That's right, even some of the medications that your doctor prescribes can have harmful effects on your ears. That's why I was so excited when I discovered Sonofit, a supplement that contains powerful ingredients that can heal your ears from within and restore your hearing naturally. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Sonofit, how it works, what it contains, what are the benefits, how much it costs, and where you can get it. I'll also answer some of the most frequently asked questions that I get from my viewers about this product. So stay tuned until the end of this video, because I have a special offer for you that you don't want to miss. Sonofit is a daily supplement that helps consumers overcome hearing issues and supports healing in the ear. This product is backed by scientific evidence, using an assortment of ingredients that are proven to be effective in eliminating the toxins from medications unintentionally prescribed by doctors. Sonofit is based on the work of the Himalayan Institute of Medical Sciences scientists, who discovered that the actual cause of hearing loss has to do with inflammation in the eardrum caused by an overactive immune system. The immune system has this reaction when it has to fight a new threat, but the inflammation pushes the elasticity in the eardrum to its brink. This challenge to the immune system is due to toxic medical compounds often found in the medications consumers take at the recommendation of their doctors. With Sonofit, consumers can put a metaphorical bandage on the damage that the eardrum has sustained and prevent further deterioration. Sonofit contains a blend of natural ingredients that are carefully selected for their ability to reduce inflammation, fight infections, boost immunity, and nourish the ear cells. The ingredients include olive oil, lavender oil, mullein leaf, tea tree essential oil, echinacea root extract, pumpkin seed oil, D-alpha tocopherol acetate oil, and garlic oil. Each of these ingredients has its own benefits for your ear health. For example, olive oil is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can lower your risk of heart problems and improve your memory. Lavender oil is known for its soothing and calming effects on the nervous system and can help you relax and sleep better. Mullein leaf is a traditional remedy for ear infections and pain, as it has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Tea tree essential oil is a powerful antiseptic and antifungal agent that can prevent ear infections and reduce itching and irritation. Echinacea root extract is a well-known immune booster that can help your body fight off viruses and bacteria that can cause ear problems. Pumpkin seed oil is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids and zinc, which are essential for healthy ear function and cell regeneration. D-alpha tocopherol acetate oil is a form of vitamin E that can protect your ear cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. Garlic oil is another natural antibiotic and anti-inflammatory that can help you get rid of ear infections and reduce swelling and pain. Sonofit offers many benefits for your hearing health and overall wellness. By taking Sonofit regularly, you can expect to improve your hearing clarity and quality, reduce or eliminate ringing or buzzing in your ears, prevent or reverse hearing loss caused by inflammation or toxins, protect your ears from further damage caused by loud noises or medications, enhance your mood and cognitive function, support your immune system and prevent infections, save money and avoid side effects from expensive and risky treatments like hearing aids or surgery. Sonofit is a safe and natural way to improve your hearing and ear health without any negative consequences. It is suitable for anyone who wants to protect their ears and enjoy life to the fullest. Sonofit is only available online through the official website. You won't find it in any stores or other websites, so be careful of any fake or counterfeit products that may try to scam you. The good news is that Sonofit is very affordable and comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it risk-free for 2 months and see the results for yourself. If you're not satisfied for any reason, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. Here are the prices and packages that you can choose from: 1 bottle of Sonofit for $69, 3 bottles of Sonofit for $177, $59 per bottle, 6 bottles of Sonofit for $294, $49 per bottle. As you can see, the more bottles you buy, the more you save. Plus, you get free shipping on all orders, which is a great bonus. I recommend that you stock up on Sonofit while you can, because it is in high demand and may run out of stock soon. Using Sonofit is very easy and convenient. All you have to do is take 1 capsule per day with a glass of water, preferably with a meal. You don't need to follow any strict diet or exercise routine, but it is always advisable to maintain a healthy lifestyle for optimal results. Sonofit is made of natural ingredients that are safe and effective for most people. However, if you have any medical condition or allergy, or if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, you should consult your doctor before using Sonofit or any other supplement. Also, if you are taking any medication, you should check with your doctor if there are any interactions or contraindications with Sonofit. Sonofit has no known side effects, but everyone's body is different and may react differently to different substances. Therefore, if you experience any adverse reaction or discomfort after taking Sonofit, you should stop using it and seek medical attention immediately. So there you have it, folks. That's everything you need to know about Sonofit, the natural supplement that can help you improve your hearing and ear health in a safe and effective way. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who may benefit from this product. And if you're ready to try Sonofit for yourself and see the amazing results that I and thousands of other customers have experienced, then click on the link below this video right now. This link will take you to the official website of Sonofit, where you can place your order securely and get the best deal possible. Remember, Sonofit comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose and everything to gain by giving it a try. But hurry up, because this offer won't last forever and supplies are limited. So don't miss this opportunity to restore your hearing and protect your ears naturally with Sonofit. Click on the link below this video now and thank me later.